The Golden Secrets of Drawing. Number 9. Drawing is not art. Drawing is about making marks. Art with a capital A is something else. Drawing is an essential skill in the creation of art, but if you don't feel you are an arty person and you don't want to change the world with art or express your innermost anguish through art or become a famous artist, then that is okay. Drawing is what you want it to be. If you just want to draw trains, that's fine. If you just want to draw people, that's fine. If you just want to draw flowers, that's fine. If you just want to draw to keep up with the kids or the grandkids, that's fine. If you just want to draw in your journal, that's fine. If you just want to illustrate a story you wrote or make your PowerPoint presentations more amusing or enlightening, that's fine. Drawing is a skill, and good skills often outweigh bad art. Don't be dazzled or be put off by art that sells for millions. That kind of art is a game for museums and billionaires. When you have so much money that you have bought everything you could possibly need, the only thing left to buy is art. The price tag is meaningless. The artworks become investments. The hype is all about keeping the value high. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. How about a pair of headphones? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.